Hitch Muddy Meowsic with me. This video is for the new boards that look like this. Stuff you'll need. Let's open it up. Check this board to make sure you have the same version. Next, take out these screws to access the back of the board. Solder wires for V+ and ground to these points. Use a meter to double check that voltage only comes through when the keyboard is on. Cut the trim resistor trace on the clock motor. Add the 5.1K resistor. Here I am using a 4.7K and a 1K in series. Solder and trim up. Next, solder a 50,000 pot to our T1 and our T2 like this. Now attach a switch throughout on the clock motor. Solder the other side of the switch to this point on the keyboard. Attach the ground and V wires to the clock motor. Put it all back together and jam.